Hi guys, it's me again cooking. Okay, let me get a few things together ready, and we'll see if anyone's joining me, but if not, I'm gonna do the video anyway because some of you may be able to watch the show later. Hello Asha! Okay, right, first up I'm going to make lazy sushi. Okay, so first of all you need, hello Alex, you need a cake tin. Sorry, I've just done one earlier, my kids couldn't wait, so I've just done one. You need a cake tin, doesn't matter what size, but this size is perfect for like 1.5 person. And if you have a cling film, you can go ahead. And Thomas, I'm sorry, today is going to be non-vegetarian. But you could adapt any of these recipes using tofu instead, okay? So sorry. Because I haven't got any cling film today, I am going to use a tiny bit of olive oil in a brush, like that. And just gonna go really lightly on the tin. Sorry, the tin's already being used. It's just now. I've just done one portion of this for my my youngest. So I thought I've got some more ingredients left, so I'm gonna do this to show you, right? Okay, so this is a lazy sushi. The ingredient is chopped cucumber, chopped pan-fried chicken. I just pan-fry them lightly with tiny bit of soy sauce. So first of all, I'm going, what shall I do first? Maybe a bit of chicken, just like that, okay? And the secret of cooking rice is a rice cooker. Okay, anyone in Asia doesn't have a rice cooker, I don't know how they cook it, so I need a rice spatula. Yeah, you can use avocado. My little one is an avocado eater, so I've never have anything left in the house, seriously. Okay, so you just put tiny bit of a thin layer of rice. Sorry, I'm doing one-handed. I don't know how I can do this. Maybe I should have a camera on my forehead. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Right, so what I'm doing is I am putting some rice in a thin layer and press it down with my spatula. If you have a cling film, just line your tin, it will come out a lot easier. So this is a moment for me, I don't know if it's going to be any easier. So that's how it's really tight now, yeah? And then we add a layer of, yeah, shiitake mushroom would be amazing if you cook them, a tiny pan fry them. And toasted sesame seed is really good for calcium. And then you put a thin layer of cucumber. And I love these kind of seasoning. You can get them from Japanese or Chinese shop. What I do is I just gently sprinkle them over like that, okay? And then another layer of rice. You can use spinach. If you use frozen spinach, you cook it quickly in the microwave and you squeeze all the juice out. That is really delicious. Okay. And sweet pepper's good as well. And so that's another layer. And then I'm going back to chicken. Sorry guys. So like that, and then I'm doing another layer of rice. You can do as thin as or as like more generous layer if you like, but I quite like mine thin. Food get more interesting that way. Okay, just keep pressing. I'm adding more rice. Oh my god, I don't know. Okay, right, so I think that's quite full now. Okay, And then I haven't got the right plate, size plate. Turn it upside down. And I don't know how I can hold my camera. Can you see it through the little gap? And then you just press it down like that. Unspring your cake tin. Oh my god, is this gonna work? Oh my god. Okay, so you can even put a layer of seaweed on top, but I've got the whole full pack. I don't want to just open the whole pack for just this little piece. And then you just cut it down with a knife. Okay. Right. Uh-oh. There you go. So that's quite interesting for children, or I quite like it on lunchtime snack. You can make it any way you like. Okay, so that's one down. Hello, Gail. So just remember that all these recipes you can turn into vegetarian or even vegan. I'm sorry, I haven't got any. Just been all day out of day. Okay, so now the minced pork, warm minced pork. I've been cooking this minced pork in the pan with chicken stock, and I have lots of spice and herbs here. Yeah, you'd want soy sauce if you want to, but I usually make the soy sauce dip with ginger and wasabi, you see. So, chopped mint, spring onion, shallot. You can use white onion, red onion, lots of lime juice, and chopped lemongrass. Okay. So, and then the most important ingredient on this recipe is what do you call this? Oh, minced up, grind up toasted rice. So basically I would put, oh god, the camera doesn't really show you, but it's very, very fragrant. It tastes almost like popcorn. And what I do is I put on a non-stick pan with a cup of rice, and then you just toast it with light medium heat until it's nice and brown, and then I just whisk it up in this grinder. It gives you this crunchy texture. And for the minced pork, you could definitely use firm tofu, because we have vegan festival in Thailand, and you always get this dish in tofu. So definitely can do it with tofu and soy sauce. Okay, soy sauce, very important. So I turn off the heat, but you can see it's still quite warm. So what you need to do is, you need it to be quite warm still, because you want it the heat to kind of like gently cook through, especially the onion for the strong flavor. Just chuck the whole lot in. One-handed. Okay. This is more difficult than I thought it would be. Where's my cameraman? This is like Little Red Hen. I cook everything for everybody. No one's helping me. So I'm going to push the onion underneath so that the steam will work up nicely. But you know, the mint and that doesn't need to be cooked too much. And then lemon juice. Oh god, I can't do this with one-handed. Thank you. Can you see me? Okay, the key, you use a little teaspoon or big spoon, again big spoon, and then you just squeeze your limes against it. It will help you. What I do is I would gently roll, well actually heavily roll my, let me turn off this fan thing. Hello Jazzy. I'm just squeezing this. I rolled my lime, just the whole lime thing, on the surface of the table so that it's nice and soft first. Helps me. Oh my god, I've got the feeling that this is not gonna taste good. Oh my god, have you got any questions? So I'm just squeezing my limes. I'm squeezing my lime. So I don't know how Nigella Lawson cooks so well on camera, because there's no way you can be elegant about this. Okay, I don't understand. And then you have to do this face, okay? Because that's the secret ingredient of these kind of dish. You have to give you passion, you know, passion. Milton! My kid's just laughing at me. Hi, Louise. I'm just doing my cooking. Hi, Lynn. Hi, Matt. So anyway, I'm just still squeezing my lime into my pot. If you just joined me, Gail, what's so funny? Hi, Mary. If you just joined me, I'm just doing some warm salad, minced pork, but you could use minced firm tofu as well, and that's totally acceptable. Let me wash my hands. The lime juice really hurting my hands. So anyway, that's too soft and bendy for me to do. So what I've done is I have heat up the minced pork in chicken stock, or you can use vegetable stock, and then turn off the heat, but it's still very warm. And then I add chopped shallot, chopped mint, chopped ginger, chopped spring onion, and lots and lots of lime juice. And then I'm going to put my secret ingredient, well, not secret, but the most important part of this salad is toasted rice. You just put in a dry pan and in medium heat, and keep stirring. Hi, Jackie, until it's nice and brown, and you blitz it up until it's kind of like coffee grain, you know, coffee powder kind of grain, not too fine, because you'll be like like that when you eat. So I just chuck the whole lot in. It's really nice and fragrant. And then you add fish sauce or soy sauce. You know, Thai people, we eat lots of fish sauce. Just slap it on like that. Sorry, there's no measurement, so the flavor should be like umami. So it's not too salty, it's not too anything, but it should have the flavor of limey flavor as well. So soury. So you keep stirring. Can you scratch the screen, because you can smell it? Scratch and sniff. Okay, right. So I'm stirring it up like that. And you can add chili powder if you want to, but I'm going to add that separately because my children don't like spicy food. I don't know where they come from. Well, I know where they come from, but I don't know where they come from. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so if you stir it up like that. Actually, it's a little bit dried up. I would have liked it to have a little bit of like broth floating about, but anyway, not a big problem. Hi, Layla. Hello, Nelly. So anyway, that's done, and you serve with rice and lots of salad, okay? And that smells amazing. You can smell lime, you can smell all the herbs. If you like coriander, you can add coriander. My family don't like it. I love it, so I'm gonna add them later, like a massive bunch. Look, I love this is mint. I just get a big bunch from the florist and a big bunch of these. Look at it. Hi, Denise. So anyway, I would serve that with rice and lots of salad. Like, what can you eat this? Can you tell me? Iceberg lettuce and bok choy, anything that like soft and tender, like Chinese leaves, cucumber, even baby sweet corn raw, or raw French green bean, or raw baby sugar snap pea as well. Exactly, Denise. I don't know. I'm just doing guerrilla cooking. There's no measurement, man. I haven't tried it yet. Let me try. Okay, right. The moment of truth. Oh God. I'm impressed. Maybe I need more lime though. I like mine limey, but some people don't like it limey. So you just knead it like this, look. You don't be gentle with your lime. You just crush all the sacs, okay? Crush all the sacs inside, the juicy sacs in there, okay? Like that. And then you realize that it's nice and soft now. And when you choose your limes, make sure that they're not too green and firm because they got no juice in. You want something like this, and you can kind of feel them before you buy them. So it's like semi-yellow. They're really good then, okay? You understand? So you just crush the sacs like that. You have to give the passion into your cooking because people can taste it. Yeah? Do you know what I mean? So then I think maybe half a lime, that would be fine. And then go back to my big spoon. It's not the spoon that I ate with. And then squeeze the lime against your spoon until all the juice come out. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so then you squeeze like that, okay? I think that's done. I'm happy with that. So, I'm gonna show you how you serve it before I go, okay? Be right back. So I have some rice here. Okay, from my rice cooker. And then you just nicely arrange. This is what TV people would do, but for me, this is just like for a cosmetic purpose. But later, after I turn everything off, I will have a massive bowl of rice and a massive bowl of salad. It's not gonna be pretty when I eat it, okay? Here. So that's how you serve it, okay? With a bit of cucumber. And you can put chili powder on top, anything. All right, so that's it for now because I'm not waiting. Love you long time. Bye. Thank you for joining me.